Hey guys, so welcome to my summer house tour slash updates, chat with me kind of video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and great bell if you're new, you guys. So what do you think of my hair? Let me go to this better lighting so you can see. This is the first time this is the first video I'm gonna film. This is gonna be put up tomorrow, so. Isn't this cute? I don't know if you can see this. It's subtle, but it's like a black cherry merlot kind of color, like a deep auburn. Hopefully you're seeing that. It is subtle, you guys, but it's kind of like a, yeah, I see, there we go. Like a nice, like deep red. You know that little flake of dandruff there? Okay. But yeah. So when I'm not wearing my wig, you're gonna see this. So yeah. I'm wearing my Aladdin shirt, which I'm gonna haul in a Target haul. It'll be up next week. And my nails. Yeah, I'm showing you guys this all again because you're gonna see this before the Target haul. So, ombre French, gorgeous, coffin shaped, gorgeous. Eyebrows are waxed. How you doing? So I mean, you're gonna see different kind of versions. Like, so you're gonna see this version. You're gonna see full sledge. Honestly, this is pretty much Michaela anyway, with a little makeup on and the wig, and that's about it. And then mostly just wearing t-shirts. So you're gonna see Michael and Michaela, and a little bit in between. You're gonna see a little bit of everything in different videos. So yeah, ignore everything in the background. I don't know what's going on in the background. Oh, I'm having my Dollar Tree's uploading, well, exporting now. So that would be yesterday. So go watch that if you haven't already. Okay. So let me show you the wig really quick, my first wig, because you're gonna see this first. So I'm doing all these updates again, but isn't this cute? I have like a fringe bang. I love it though. I love it. Oh, I'm excited, you guys. Okay, this lighting is so bad, probably, but oh, actually no, it's not that bad. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is the wig. I'm calling her Miss Thing. You're gonna see me, I filmed a Target haul last night with it on. So you're gonna see that later on. And yeah, but and a beauty haul. Yeah, so this is all gonna be like before everything, yeah. You're gonna see all this again, don't worry, in other videos coming up next week. But yeah, I just had to put this video up first because it's a summer tour. I wanna have this up. So yeah, so the wig's called Miss Thing. It is human hair, it is 12 inches long, and it's the ombre with the blonde tips. So yeah. Okay, so now that's out of the way. Let's do some summer house touring. Everything's from the Dollar Tree. This sign says, "The beach is calling," and you would have seen all this yesterday. So yeah, there we go. This is fitting. I did the Dollar Tree yesterday, and this day is going to be showing you where I put everything out from the Dollar Tree. So there we go. So if you want to see me hauling everything in specifics and detail, yesterday's video, check it out. A huge what's new in the Dollar Tree for June 2019. The beach is calling. Hello, summer. I know lighting's a little bit off, but I don't want to open the windows because the lighting will be like, I don't know, because it'll be super hot. So that's why lighting's not the best, but whatever. Luau Tiki Bar Paradise. Meet Me by the Ocean. Pineapple, and then Sandy Beach, Salty Seas, Relaxation. Summer Pineapple. I think this is my favorite. I like how it has all the cute little sayings. Summer Sand Shore Seaside. Sunny Serene Swim. I love this one. Something about it puts you in a bright mood, in a happy mood. Take Me to the Sea with a seahorse, and then that I hauled in last month's Dollar Tree. This is Welcome to Paradise. That's everything I have so far for summer. I might get a few more signs, but honestly, I probably won't get too much more because, as you guys know, in August the fall stuff already rolls in. So I think this is good for like what, a month or 2 months, yeah. But like I said, I mean, if they have some cute stuff next month when I go Dollar Tree, then I'll get some more end of the month. Okay, you guys. So we have some more time to kill. So let me go to my room and do like an updated Bath and Body Works kind of like collection really quick. Oh, this is a Michael Kors purse. You're gonna see this in a haul coming up. A little sneak preview. And again, I'm doing a what's in my purse on it later on this month. And this is just the updated collection because it always changes. I'm always giving stuff away and returning things, and so yeah. This is pre-SAS. Yeah, so when SAS starts, this is going to be more filled up. So yeah. So shower gels there from Bath & Body Works. Soaps, more soaps, VS sprays and more Bath & Body Works sprays. Perfumes, colognes are mixed. Same here, and then a ton of soaps here. Anyway, I'm gonna clear my throat. That's the view from outside. Oh, this is my second wig head because I did get 2 wigs. And my other wig's in here. Beauty haul coming. I kept those bunnies from Easter because they're just so cute. I have to keep them. They're so cute. And this is the second shelf. More shower gels. A ton of shower gels, you guys. This is why I'm not going like ham at all for SAS. I'm just going to buy a little bit. Because, as you can see, I don't need a lot. Yeah. These are all Bath & Body Works creams, except this is a one lotion from VS. So, more soaps. Yeah, you guys, I am not going ham. But there will be hauls, but small ones. One medium haul the first day, and then maybe a few small ones. Yeah, like some 10 off 40s later on in the month because, ooh, girl, too much stuff. And then I have more soaps there. And then, as you guys know, I kept my... By the way, I think this is the one... This is the display. That's why it doesn't close. But anyway, I'm glad it doesn't close because I want to keep it open anyway because I can put sprays in here for storage. And these are just more VS sprays. I'm going to get more on Monday, obviously. You'll see that on Monday. Haul will be up. So this time I was going back and forth because I'm filming different days and I'm going to put different videos up on different days. I'm not going to do here about the favorite Victoria's Secret summer scent video because I talked about my favorite summer scents for May already in my favorites video. So go check that video last week. It just says Bath & Body Works / Victoria's Secret May 29th favorites. So check out that. You'll know my favorite Bath & Body Works and Victoria's Secret scents for May and summer. So yeah, there we go. And I did the summer one for Bath & Body Works as well anyway. So yeah, and then these are more soaps. But there'll be another empties later this month. Of course. Darling. And if you haven't seen my summer project Use It Up, go check that out. This is just, you know, chapsticks and everything else. Miscellaneous stuff from Bath & Body Works that I've kept. Pocket bag holders and all that stuff like that. I think that's it for that. Yeah, and let's go to the bathroom and then we'll end it there. Yeah, I'm actually, oh, I forgot this sign. Time to relax. Oh, I love this sign too. This might be my second favorite. It's not my favorite, actually. Actually, this is my favorite. Well, okay, it's tied. That one and this one. Yeah, time to relax. It's so pretty. Right? For the bedroom, right? Time to relax. Perfect. So, I love that one from Dollar Tree. I mean, the signs are so cheap. Why not get like a bunch, right? Turn this light on. It smells so good in here because I sprayed the bathroom with this. Sweet Magnolia and Clementine. This is amazing, you guys. If this comes back for S6, which I think it is, stock up on this. It's so good. I'm using Cotton Blossom. This is, like I said, a little preview for the month of June favorites. Cotton Blossom also for a bathroom spray. Amazing. What else do we got here? I almost finished this fresh water. This will be the empties in June. Literally like, so yeah, just a little bit left. Currently using Tiki Shore, my second one. Amazing. This will be in the empties in June. I finished one of these. This will be in the empties in June as well. This is a fresh one, the Night Relaxing. Now that I'm wearing makeup, I wash my makeup off at the end of the day with this. And it just takes everything off. It makes you feel so relaxed before bed. Absolutely amazing. Ugh. Okay, what else do we got here? And then the scent I'm currently using now for shower is this one, the Coconut Lime Breeze. It just smells like a super fruity lime popsicle, and I love that. Again, Coconut Lime Breeze. And then for the hair, I'm using Back to the Garnier because now my hair is colored out. I have to use a color-treated shampoo and conditioner, you know, for color-treated hair. And stuff like that. And my turquoise loofah, right? Gotta get the summer vibes going, right? Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? So yeah, you guys. Okay, the lighting's better here, so let me show you my hair better. Okay, yeah, see, you can see the hair better here, I think. Let's see. There we go. You see? There we go. Can you see it? I feel like it just looks... Oh, okay, see, it is subtle, you guys. Let's see if I can put the light on. Here. I want to show you the hair. I mean, can you see it? You can tell it's deep red, right? Okay, it's subtle, but it's like a deep red. You know that beeping? Just cooking downstairs. You know how it is. Cooking and stuff like that. There's always something going on around. But yeah, it's like a deep red. Oh no. Hopefully you can see that. It's like a deep auburn, like Audrey Hepburn, red. Anyway, I don't know, y'all. And the eyebrows are just a cleanup. And yeah, those Aladdin shirts coming up in the haul. And my nails, I love my nails. They're so cute. Ugh, so long. I haven't had them this long in so long. Oh my god, it's crazy. Okay, let's just wrap the video up. One more time. I got this, ooh. There you go. This is a little body shot. These shorts are from Target or Walmart. And then this is a Aladdin shirt full. Just I need to show myself, girl. But I want to end with this. Focus on the good. Be happy, be kind, be brave, be you. Always. Okay, I'm going to end it there. That's a good way to end it, right? Good positive message. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, great bell. Happy summer, you guys. Don't forget, VS semi-annual sale will be up on the 3rd Monday. So in 2 days, the VS semi-annual sale will be up and uploaded. And then, of course, the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul will be uploaded that following Monday, June 3rd. Sorry, June 10th. So June 3rd for VS, semi-annual sale, and then June 3rd, which is also a Monday, a mess. June 3rd, VS, semi-annual sale, and then that following Monday, June 10th, will be the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. Okay, so June 3rd and June 10th. Okay, June 3rd, VS. June 10th, Bath & Body Works, semi-annual sales. We will open my channel those 2 days. So, yeah, and then smaller ones throughout the month as well. Okay, wrapping it up. So making sure we're covered. And yes, you guys, so excited. And people were still asking me when the sale starts. You guys, June 3rd for VS, last 2 weeks. And then June 10th for Bath & Body Works, and then ends July 7th for Bath & Body Works. So, yeah, and then Bath & Body Works lasts 4 weeks. Okay, you guys, like, comment, subscribe, great bell. If you're new, happy summer, happy shopping, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye, guys.